Hey everyone, in today's videos we are going to take a complete look at AuthVaultix application page, what features they include, how everything works and how you can properly use them to secure and manage your software. If you are selling software using a loader system or building an authentication system, this video is going to be very helpful. Application section overview. First we go to the application tab from the left side menu. Here you can see all your created application displayed as a card. At the top you will notice total number of application, search bar to find application, sorting options like newest or A to Z. Each application card show application name, version, creation date, active status. To set an application as active, simply click on the application setting icon. Application overview tab. Now we are inside a specific application. In the overview section you will find application name, application ID, version, Discord book, URL, client secret. The client secret is essentially your application's private key. This is what connects your loader or software to AuthVaultix. If you believe your key has been exposed, compromised, you can click rotate secret to instantly generate a new one. When you rotate the secret, old keys immediately stop working. Pause application. The application pause button temporarily disable login for all users. This is useful during maintenance or updates. Delete application. The delete application option permanently remove the app. Cannot be undone. All users and license associated app will be permanently deleted. Now let's move the security tab. This is where you control your application protection. Application status. Enable or disable the entire application. HWID lock user to a specific device. VPN blocks prevent user from login in using VPN. Checks detects if your loader file has been modified. Force SWID. Force device binding even more strictly. Block leaked password. Prevent user from the login in with compromised password. Token validation. Second, the controls how long login tokens remain valid before expiring. Short and duration mean higher security. Minimum HWID length. See the required length for the hardware IDs, adding strict validation. After making changes, always click Save Security Setting. Now let's look at alert message. This section allows you to customize user response message. For example, invalid username, invalid password. This is extremely useful for branding. Instead of default system message, you can customize response to match your platform or support style. Don't forget to click Save Message after editing. And that's complete breakdown of AuthVaultix application page. If you like the next videos to cover full license system tutorial, HWID implementation guide or advanced security configuration, let me know in the comments below. If you are found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.